Okay, this is also gonna go into the intro. So anybody who's watching this, I'm so sorry for my ass lighting. I just figured out my lighting just like a couple minutes now when the look's already done. I'm sorry that I'm never gonna do this again. Hello everybody. So it's getting kind of dark in here. I'll like probably turn on the light halfway through this or something. But anyways, today I'm just doing a makeup look. Let's get on to the video. So I already moisturized and like primed my face, I guess, with the Mario Badescu, the I don't know, the green spray, I forgot what it's called. And my moisturizer. I'm gonna just start off with the eyes today, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, which you probably saw in my last video. It was way too light to me, like I don't know, way too light for me. I don't know why I said it like that. I use this one for my eyes, which is what I was gonna use it for after I discovered it was super light for me. So I turned on the camera, not the camera, I turned on the lights, my ring lights right there and my other lights. I don't know what setting to choose, so it is regular. There's one. Should I keep it this? I think I'm gonna just keep it like this because the other one's way too bright. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow with the e.l.f. brush. I'm gonna use the Morphe 35M palette, which looks like this. Why does this look so bad? It looks like the lighting of a horror movie. I don't know if you can see that, but hopefully you could. This is the brush, the Morphe M330 or something like that. I'm gonna use it in like a more specific way in the crease so I can make it darker. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but hopefully it comes out well. It looks really bad right now with this lighting. Maybe it's the lighting in the back. I will go see. Okay, so the other light, it looks pretty bad still. I think it's better than the other one, so I'm gonna just keep going. So I can't even see anything. So then I'm gonna take this like brush that looks like a bullet or something, I don't know. And I take another darker shade of brown, and then I just like trace the crease. Okay, so far it looks like I have a black eye or something. So I'm gonna just like blend it out. I'm gonna take like a lighter shade of the brown and use it on the outside. Remember, the key to like good eyeshadow is blending. And the other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the crease. Ooh, this is not it. This lighting is not it. So I'm gonna take this again and I'm just gonna like do the tip. The key to a cut crease, which I learned over the time how to do it, is you actually have to try and like hold it. Turn it like this. Not turn it, you hold it. And you lift your eyebrow. Just go to the deepest part of your crease where you feel the curve of your eyeball. And just trace. It doesn't matter if you like mess up. You can fix it with eyeshadow. Just do like a half cut crease. And then bring it down. So you have to hold it like this because then it looks like ass. I'm gonna just blend the fuck out of this and I'll see you guys. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in closer. I am so sorry for the bad lighting. I'm sorry. I'm never gonna do this again. I'm sorry. Okay, and you see how I kind of messed up like right there. This is how you fix a cut crease. This is how I learned. You take the exact same shadow that you like put like in the darker one, the latest darker one. You probably know what I'm talking about. I don't know how to describe it. And then you take the bullet brush, whatever it's called, and you tap a little bit. And then you pack it to where the mistake is. Like brush it, make it a little darker. And you kind of like trace like everything. You just kind of want to keep tracing it so you can make sure that the cut crease is like, you know, clean and sharp and all. I keep using the other shadows to give more definition on my eyes. I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll come back. I'm gonna charge my camera a little bit. So I finished the cut creases. This is what they look like. So I'm gonna just like do it like half cut crease or 3/4 cut crease, whatever you call it. And I'm gonna just take like a lighter shade and I'll put it like at the end to smoke it out. Oh, I cannot see. I am so sorry like for the lighting again. I know I keep saying sorry, but I have really ass lighting. I'm trying to use every color, like every color comes from one palette, because I hate when people they do a look and they use like several like palettes and I just look for a specific palette. I don't have what color they use, which is from another palette, if it makes sense. But yeah, like I hate doing like so many like a single look from from many palettes. So I'm just like try to do everything from one palette, and then I'm gonna just like use a darker shade as eyeliner so I can like blend it out like a smoky eye. So I kind of finished it, but as you can see in this lighting, it does not look well. I am so sorry guys for letting you down like this. Anyways, I put like more eyeshadow here, like dark eyeshadow. I put like a gold line right there, but you can barely see it. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how I did it. I used a smoky eyeshadow brush and I did it to the dark brown shade in this palette. And I did like eyeliner wing, connected it to the top and just drag it back out. And then I take a dark, not a dark, the black shadow in this. And don't like do it like super dark, just give it like some definition. And then I take my fluffy brush and I blend it out the rest. And that's how I ended up doing the other side. And then for the gold line, I have this gold eyeliner pencil from Ellen Tracy that I got like a million years ago. I just kind of like trace. And then I take this flat brush and I dip it into like an orange shade. Well, not an orange shade, but a brown shade. I just go over the line. I just pat it. And just keep doing it until it's way more noticeable than it is originally. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can kind of see it better in this lighting than in my ring light. You see it's like, there's like a line. And you can see the smoky eye right here. And hopefully I get better lighting soon. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and see how it looks like in the end, so stay tuned for that. So, how you guys been? I'm sorry this like been a disaster. Anyways, like how y'all doing during this pandemic? I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys have a better day than me. So anyways, I'm gonna do like some under eyeshadow with fluffy brush. I'm gonna take the first shade that we put and connect it. And then I take this and just kind of like go over with the excess concealer. I'm gonna use my Dulce de Leche Wet n Wild contour kit with a Wet n Wild brush. I think I said in one of my videos before, I have a lot of Wet n Wild stuff, and I'm sorry about that. And then my jaw, because I have not a sharp jaw. And I forgot to put foundation on my neck, so if it looks two different colors, I'm sorry. Okay, and then I'm gonna contour my nose with this brush right here. I don't think I'll put any blush on, and I'm gonna just put lashes. While I was looking for my lashes, guess what I saw? I saw this primer that I used before that is not very good, but I use it as highlighter sometimes, and I realized the inside is liquid, and I could have done the gold eye thing with this, so I'm gonna try that later. And I'm using the Lash Dreams by Halo, not Halo by Lash Dreams. I'm gonna use my lash strip adhesive. So I did my lashes. Can't really see it. Can't really see the eyeshadow, so I don't know what's the point of the eyeshadow after all. But anyways, I'm gonna try with this. You gotta deal with what you have, and this is what I have right now. So I'm gonna use this brush. I'll pour just a little bit in my hand. Can you even use this? I'm gonna just put like a teeny tiny bit. I am so sorry you guys had to stick all this way for a whack ass look. My neighbors are there. Okay, I'm gonna use that NYX Extreme Shine Lip Cream in skin tone and a pink lip liner. As you can see, it looks skin tone, like it's called skin tone. I think I know why this ring light is not, it looks like it's blue light instead. But this is how it looks like. I'll fix up my hair, so BRB. Or how about I take you to the bathroom with me? So, I don't know if you can see this, but I guess the eyeshadow was for no reason. This is how it looks like. It looks kind of messy, but the heavy ass lashes cover it up. Oh, I think I just figured out what the heck it was that was doing my ass lighting, and it's because my ring light was to the side of my camera and not above it. So this is why it now looks better. Stupid. I guess after all, my trick with the dewy thing worked, so you gotta improvise and adapt to what you have. And that's the end of this video. I'm sorry you guys had to put up through this, but this is like makeup therapy. It kind of cheered up my day now. Hope you liked this video, this disaster of a video, and stay tuned for the new ones. So peace out everybody.